ये देखो आ रहा है। In convex mirror, the image will be imaginary, smallest and erect. Backside of the mirror. When vertex of object B, BL ray is incidented on the surface of mirror, it gets reflected in LM direction. Now when it produces back, then it cut Px dash at F, which is known as principal focus. Again, second ray from the vertex of the object incidented on the C and get returned along with the same path. During the returning period, it cut converge ray LF at B dash. Now from B dash, a perpendicular A dash B dash is drawn on P X dash, which is the image of object AB, which is imaginary, smaller and erect back to the mirror. Now the description and expression of 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V, that is called mirror formula. Here, at first we take triangle NLF with respect to triangle A-B-F because both the triangle is similar. By the law of proportional, we take A-B- by ln equal to A-F by NF, base perpendicular upon base ratio. That is equation first. Here the aperture of mirror is very small and P is nearer to the N. So P equal to N, very near, and L is parallel to AB. So we write here AB equal to Ln, or NL. Here Pn is nearer, so Pf is equal to Nf. In this way, we produce A-B- by AB equal to A-F upon Pf, equation third. Now discuss about the triangle ABC and A-B-C. Both the triangle are similar, therefore according to law of proportion, AB by A-B equal to base AC upon A-C. That can be written as AB upon A-B equal to A-C by AC. On comparison, that is third equation. On comparison, equation second and equation third, we get A-F by Pf equal to A-C upon AC. Now we extend this equation, that become A-F, that is written as Pf minus Pa- upon Pf equal to A-C, that can be written AP plus PC upon AC, PC minus A. Now, by the cross multiplication, we get UV equal to FV plus FU. Here R equal to 2F. We know that R is always half the radius of curvature. On dividing UVF by UVF to this relation, we get 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V, or F equal to UV by U plus V. That is the mirror formula of convex mirror.